What's going on with my winners? And today we bring you a very special person. Our 93rd winning Wednesday raffle winner, unknown player. He decided to give his free tint to his cousin, Random BRZ. Now he came here with his 2015 Subaru BRZ, and he's gonna claim his prize with 20% on the two front doors and on the rear window. He also decided to get 5% sunstrip. Another raffle winner with another lucky tint job by the winning team. Check it out while the winning team tint it out. And we're back, winners, with another winning raffle Wednesday winner to claim their free tint. This was our 93rd winner on the winning raffle unknown players prize, but he gave it to his cousin, Random BRZ. He got 20% on the two front doors and rear window with a 5% strip across his windshield. I think it looks great. Do you think it looks great? Never mind what we think. It's about what Random BRZ thinks. Let's see what he thinks. What do you think about it?
Oh, this one's missing.
Yeah, I think it looks way better. It's definitely a big deal. So Random BRZ, what do you think about your cousin giving you free tint?
It's amazing. It's a blessing. It's beautiful.
Did you attend the live chat?
I was there too, yeah.
You was there too?
Yeah,
so when he won, did you know that he was gonna give it to you?
Yeah?
So hold up, you got your whole family involved.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah? Oh, okay, so what do you think about your BRZ?
Beautiful, it's great. I've been wanting this for a long time, and I'm just glad I got to win one for free.
Is this fake?
Nah, it's real. It's all legit.
See, so he actually came here to get free tint that his cousin gave him, unknown player. So what made you pick this BRZ?
Yeah, love at first sight. Saw in the dealership. I just knew how to get it.
That's great. So until next time, check it out while Random BRZ takes his BRZ out. Winning!